music also disappeared from Instagram. So let me show you quickly how to get it back. You go into your profile, and then the three lines on the top right hand side, you click on that. Then what you do is you go to settings, and in your settings you go to let's go to accounts, and then you go all the way down at the bottom and it says switch account type. Then you want to go put it to personal account. You just click switch to personal account. Great. Now you go repeat that steps again. So you go out, you go back into settings, then you go into settings again, then you go to account, go all the way down, you say switch to professional account. And once you're there, you go through this. You just click continue, 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 and then you scroll down to where it says entrepreneur. Press done. Then you wait for it to go through, and then you click on creator, press next, and voila, you're done. And then you press the cross at the top right hand side, and then if you go to reels, so I'm just going to show you quickly. I want to go to reels, I press on audio, and I want to search, let's say Taylor Swift. You see there's a lot of things already. Great. So I hope you've learned from something from this. If you want more content, please follow me on my page. Thank you.